One of these days I'll reattach the hood. But for now, easiest way to remove it without damaging anything. And there it is. All that stuck under there. Didn't even know it. A little more room than I thought. Plenty of room for the harness. Header's clear. This is on the new mounts. Probably can't see those because they're too dark. 2.5 inches out from the heater core. Provide that. I have had to cut the brake lines and fuel lines because we are sitting at max effort back here. There's actually a harness that goes along that, basically on top of this tray. So you can see it from this side, maybe it'd be easier. Yeah, so harness mounts to this bracket here. It runs like the top, so we're still extremely close. However, we are clearing the bracketry, which actually can be removed and moved up. Might make a bracket for that just for other swaps, but I mean, yeah, you can get the whole trans bolt out right here without any issue. Clearance over here as well. So these are just off the shelf item here as well. It's a fantastic little unit. I'm really liking it. Truck harness, truck accessories. Next plan really will be figuring out where to put the coil packs. They may actually mount right here or below. There's some space down there as well, but it's just trying to get these. I mean, you can run the lines down through here. I guess technically I could try that, but with the studs it just limits your space, so I'm probably just gonna keep everything below, out of the way of the heat.